Hey folks, Adam here, and you know what I love? Off-roading. I like taking my 1995 Jeep Wrangler out and about with its big tires, going off-roading, going on those dirt trails, and having a whole lot of fun. But you know what? When you're going off-roading, even when you got big monster tires like I do, you have to lower the pressure. I lower mine to somewhere between 18 and 20 PSI, and then when we're done, we fill them back up. Now, if you're not familiar with it, when you go off-roading, you want lower pressure on your tires so they can grab onto rocks, they can grab onto dirt, and they can climb over things. But then, when you're done, you don't want that low pressure doing damage to your tires. Even though it doesn't look like much, you can hardly tell a difference on the tire itself. It can make some real wear and damage to your expensive tires. And you know, tires can be $500 each. You can have $2,000 worth of tires on a Jeep like this. So, we bring this, it's our LASFIT air compressor, but more importantly, we're talking about this. This is our LASFIT. This is a hose that allows you to connect all 4 tires at the same time and refill them with your compressor. It's some impressive technology. Admittedly, when LASFIT contacted me, I thought that seems weird. It's gonna take 20 minutes to fill these big tires, but it didn't. So let's see if we can show some real-time overlays of me refilling these tires and see how quickly and efficiently we did it to all 4 tires. I'm gonna show that in real time while we talk. Now, LASFIT has been making high-quality products for off-roaders and for everyone else. I've got LASFIT items in my BMW, I've got LASFIT items in my Toyota, and of course for my Jeep, they are stupendous. That could be floor mats, that could be these hoses, that could be this air compressor. Now, some of the things I like about this is you're able to clip this hose directly onto the tires quickly and efficiently, all 4. You get that digital readout showing the PSI, you've got the gauge built in. This is high quality, built for performance, and built for you off-road enthusiasts. In fact, the fact that the hose fits in a simple carrying bag like this that I can put behind my seat and have with me anytime is fantastic. It's lightweight and portable, easy to store, and between these 2 items, I can go off-roading anywhere, lower the pressure on the tires, raise it back up without a problem. So, if you're looking for something that's affordable, if you're looking for something that's going to revolutionize the way you're able to fill up your tires and do it in a matter of minutes, this is second to none. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for something that has the highest quality build, something that's made for a top level PSI, and something that's made for off-road enthusiasts that everyone will be completely envious of, well, this is the product for you. Folks, I highly recommend LASFIT Air, and this exact system. Hopefully we've showed you a few overlays. This is the best of the best. Between the compressor and the hose, I'm very happy with it. Folks, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. I'm gonna show you even more. All right, folks, so in regards to the up-close portion of the video, the first thing I wanna show you is the overall quality of these hoses, because this particular video focuses on the hoses themselves. You can see one goes to one side of the vehicle, the other side of the vehicle, and then we've got the pressure gauge right here. Now, a nice thing about it is the pressure gauge has a light, so you can see this even at night, and you can go through PSI, BAR, KPA, and what does that say there? Kilograms per centimeter squared. Okay, so I'm American, I didn't know that one. Very nice, and it even tells you, man, it might be time I need to get new batteries. Now, admittedly, when I first picked this up, I didn't realize that I had to just add the batteries in the back, so make sure you put your batteries in the back. Now, they've really done a great job on the fit and finish of all the connections here, and you can see these are high quality connections, the latest and greatest. They have not skimped. When you see a lot of other pressure gauges, it feels like they skimp on the connections, and they've just done a very good job here making stuff that snaps together easily and efficiently. Now, when we look at the hose itself, premium hybrid air hose, 1/4 inch, and it's a 300 PSI max. So they've done a great job with that as well. Now, when it comes to the connections, you can see, again, a great connection. Boom, puts that right into place to where you can just clip right onto your valve stems. And when you're done, you can cover them up to make sure they stay corrosion resistant and taken care of. And again, they give you a very nice carrying bag. Now, you do have 4 different connection ports, so you can connect all 4 tires at the same time. Very smart there. And all 4 are of high quality, and they will all clip into place just like you've come to expect. This is a smart design that your valve stem clips right in. Now, don't think that you couldn't do, say, 4 bicycles at the same time. You could do your sedan, do all 4 tires at the same time. This allows you a lot of flexibility and capability, and I do like how easy this is to read. They've just done a great job here with the green backing. A lot of lower quality LEDs will flicker on camera, particularly in the light. This just comes across well. It's easy to read, it's convenient. Folks, I do want to point out how long this is, how much space we have here. This is my garage, and I want to show you that we could easily put these on a vehicle that's 4 or 5 feet longer than my garage is. So they've given you plenty of hose. I know some people will be like, well, I got an F350. Will these work? I got an F250. I got a Chevy Silverado. Will it work? Yeah, they've given you plenty of hose to deal with. All right, folks, when it comes to high quality performance and sophistication, we've got a great brand here. I definitely love the air compressor, but if you want to really kick that to the next level, well, guess what? This will blow your socks off. Folks, you know I love you. You know I appreciate you, and we only show products that really do rock. I've been very happy with this brand. If you notice, we've partnered with them several times now. You know, I have a track record of practically a 0 defect rate, high quality products that are kind of laser fit performance, and they are stylish. So if you're looking for the absolute best of the best, a brand that never settles for second best, well, guess what? This is the brand for you, and it's definitely the brand for me. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Go get this, put it in your car, pick it up. Goodbye, my friends. Adios.